Hey there. Looking to add a modern horizontal scrolling section to your Squarespace website? Whether it's for portfolios, product galleries, or testimonials, this smooth sideways scroll can make your site feel next level. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to create it, from setting up your content to adding the custom code. Let's get into it. Step 1. Create and design your sections. First, log into your Squarespace account and head over to the page where you want the horizontal scroll effect. Click the plus button to add a new section. Use Squarespace's tools to design your section. Add images, text, buttons, whatever you need. If you want multiple scrolling sections, just duplicate the one you created. Step 2. Add custom CSS for horizontal scrolling. Once your sections are ready, we're going to add a bit of CSS to make them scroll horizontally. Go to Website Tools greater than Custom CSS and paste in the code I've added in the video description below. This code basically creates a horizontal scrolling container that will wrap around the selected sections. Step 3. Find section IDs using the Squarespace ID Finder. Next, we need to grab the section IDs for the sections you want to scroll. I recommend using the Squarespace ID Finder Chrome extension. Just open your live site in Chrome, click on the extension, and hover over each section. You'll see the section ID pop up, something like number section -ID -123. Note down the IDs for every section you want to include in the horizontal scroll. Step 4. Add JavaScript for horizontal scrolling. Now, it's time to add a little JavaScript to bring everything to life. Head to Website Tools greater than Code Injection and scroll down to the footer section. Paste the JavaScript code from the description and replace the section IDs with the ones you just copied. Once done, hit Save. The horizontal scrolling won't appear in edit mode. You'll only see it live on the published version of your site. So if nothing seems to be happening in the editor, don't worry. It's working behind the scenes and will show up when your site goes live. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.